Welcome to the OpenBook training on user management, logging in, and My Account. First, we're going to start talking about setting up new user accounts in OpenBook Express. So OpenBook Express provides the ability to have separate user logins for your employees and user roles for each employee so that they can have access to different areas in Express depending on their need. To set a new employee up with access and a new username, go to the user management page in Express and click on the New Account button in the upper right-hand corner. Okay, this will bring up a screen where you can fill in the information for your employee. First, enter the employee's email address and their display name. The display name is what's seen in Express and to other users in Express, and it's typically just the employee's first and last name. The next field is the customer ID field, which will be grayed out and contains your property ID, which is similar to your account number for OpenBook. Okay, and then lastly, create a password for this employee and confirm the password in the following field. The password needs to be at least 7 characters long and needs to contain at least one special character or symbol. Please note that this password can be changed at a later time by the employee. When you're finished filling out all the fields, click OK to save the new user account. Next, you will need to assign a user role to the new user account that you just created. The user account that you just set up will now display in the user accounts list under the user management page in Express. Click on the new user account that you just created to show more options. Here you have the options to delete the user, change the password, or change the user role of this individual. To assign a new user role, click Change Roles and select either Administrator or Clerk. The administrator role has access to everything in Express. This role is meant for owners, managers, and any additional personnel allowed to define and modify the property settings. Any user who is assigned to the clerk role only has access to the following sections: inventory availability, inventory control, internet reservations, and My Account. Clerks do not have access to pages involving changing any settings or rates for the property. To delete a user, click on the user and then click Delete User and select Yes to the prompt. This will permanently delete the user. Administrators can change passwords for others by clicking Change Password and then entering a new password twice and clicking Save. Once you have a username created, you can log into your account. To log in, go to the OpenBook Express website and click the Login button up here in the top right corner. This will display the login screen where you can enter the email address associated with your account and the password that you've just set up. Once you're logged in, there's a logout button in the top right corner. To prevent someone else from using your login, click the logout button located at the top right when not working in Express. For security reasons, Express will automatically log you out after 15 minutes of inactivity. You'll need to log back in to continue use. If you're managing multiple properties that all use OpenBook Express, you can switch between the different properties as you log in by clicking on the Switch Property button located next to the Logout button in the top right corner of your screen. You can then select the name of the other properties that you want to switch to and work on. Click OK to go to the next property. The name of the property that you are viewing and editing is located in the top left corner of your OpenBook Express screen. If you don't know or have forgotten your password to log into OpenBook Express, click on the Forgot My Password link located next to the Login link in the top right corner of your screen. Enter the email address associated with your account and click OK. This will send an email with directions on how to change your password to the email address associated with your account. After you're logged into your account, you can change your own password for your own user account. Select the My Account page from the menu on the left-hand side in OpenBook Express. From here, you can select Update Personal Data, which is to update your display name in Express, or Change Password, and then enter and confirm a new password and click Save. The new password must be at least 7 characters long and contain at least one special character or symbol, such as an exclamation mark or a $sign.